Essex Boss Productions presents a Jamaican full movie, Big Runaway Part 2, starring Sister Petra's Dosia, Essex Boss's Jeremia.
Something don't add up at all. That little girl feel like she can fool a elder like me. She said she'd go into her auntie yard and this road lead to the mountain. You know to think of it. You know that girl is running away though. She feels she can trick a elder like me. We are all veteran, we know every tricks and trade in the book. And what could have lead to this? Mighty God, them young people here nowadays, huh? Our mother and father work so hard to send her go to school. And that little girl pack up everything at the yard, food and clothes, with her water too. That means that she have it in her thinking for a while now. Mighty God. Mighty God. God guide her on her journey. But I have to go and tell her parents them what I see today.
Me start make the fire. Why me not even know if I the right thing me do? But me can't take the pressure on me. You don't know what wrong with that there, man. As me ma gonna walk in the fatigue. Wonder if I really the right thing me do still. Why me no know? Can't bother ya, man. Me no think it's so hard to live for your own. Watch ya, me. Hey, stone. Hey, stone. You don't know if you do it, but you're going to have to do it there, you do. Oh, you have to try and do it. Me can't answer. Me feel free and me feel better. Only because it just feels scary. But we not think nothing way wrong with me. And nobody know walk here so. Me try this pack but we show me like you want to know if when they grow up as so people they fatigue there. Too much of this man. What Mass George no go say nothing. I know that the man there no say love chat you see. No. You know everybody business more than how they know they want. Me find peace happy.
I'm tired. Just like hold on a minute,
Watch
me
out,
daughter.
Mustard!
Why?
Oh my God!
The wind there be me
I
daughter.
tell you, Jesus! What we need it because the sun's so hot. Mustard! So you come so late from Bushman? Oh my God!
You feel have me away, me daughter. Have some banana here for you.
You have something for me? My God, thank you!
And two finger planting.
For you see them used to say they're soft and nice. Now I'm planting.
Yes,
God
man.
bless you, man. God bless you. Thank you so much. Me appreciate it. Because I never have none of yard, you know.
Daughter, I miss me old friend.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Me know.
Every day you favor your father.
I know that, man. And then you and him would have come from bush, you know, not true?
I tell you, man.
Oh,
I
yeah.
miss the little company of bush, man.
Oh, my God. I can imagine. You know, so I have one $200 for you for one day, yeah? I say, more than give it to you, at least you could buy bag juice at the shop and freeze it.
No, man, this can buy 2 pounds of rice,
and
man.
not much, man. That
It
can't
no matter. God bless you for this, man.
No problem, man. You know you deserve it because remember when I went picnic, you know, you used to take care of me when you come from bush.
Yes, man.
With the ripe banana, them. I'm so grateful.
Why? I tell you.
Oh, my God. It's so nice to see you again, though.
Yes, you come home early today, man.
Oh, yes. Tell you what. The boss, them say them are go away. So, them say me can't just tidy up the place and just leave early. So, that's the reason why me say me they go and go to what me can do in the
Well,
house.
that's good. You can come home and get little rest.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know if I can get any rest because I don't know what amount of work Petra do in the house. So,
Okay.
that's the reason why I'm going to see what I'm doing and then tidy up the place and make something for my husband.
So,
anyway,
your husband?
You know, he's good, you know. He's good, to be honest with you. He's alright. If I go on, you know, he get the little work, but not the penny work, you know, no money, not the penny. But in the galang, you know, because
Well, but at least he get a start.
Yes, yes, yes. So we're grateful for that.
Okay.
Yes, alright, have a good day.
Yeah, man, I'll see you.
Alright, so you're not, oh, you're going up and sitting there, Mass George.
Tell you the brave now function, so right in on me, daughter.
Take it easy, man, take your time.
Oh, Lee, just
Yes.
telling you.
Alright. Boy, I'm tell us, I'm so grateful for them.
Oh, hold on there, hold on
It's
there,
what?
hold on there.
What Mass George?
Hold on
What
there.
happened?
Them say cockroach no business in a fall fight.
What happened?
But this a cockroach you can manage any farmer weather.
Lord have
Right?
mercy. What is the problem, Miss Mass George?
I see Petra a while ago.
What you mean you see Petra?
The brain not functioning so right, you know, my daughter. I see Petra a while ago with flour and rice and water in bag, heading to the mountain.
What you mean heading to the
And
mountain?
that's not all. She tell me that she going to look for her auntie, you send her.
Me send her? What
Yes.
a liar, little girl. I don't send her anywhere. No way at all, me not send the little girl.
Mighty
She know she
God.
never left the yard. Oh my
Mighty
God.
God.
What you saying to me?
What I sum up, you know, a while ago when I was coming, you know that your daughter run away?
Lord God, you know about that there is something there. Me not think so. Me not think so. After she not have no problem in my yard. She not have no problem after she not do nothing. All she want to do is lay down in her bed, you know, but listen to me. I'm not going to believe that. Me know you not tell a lie,
I
Master.
only hope so.
Jesus Christ. Me know you see everything in the village, but me not think say so, sir.
I
I don't
only
think
hope
so. You sure you see Petra? She know she
Well-
don't believe the yard, you know, sir.
From I was growing up, I was a wise man. And I see everything in this village.
I know that you see
And
everything.
I know that I'm not wrong.
My God
But
Almighty.
anyway, take care of
All right,
yourself.
take it easy. Jesus Christ. And what is upon me? Me not think so. Petra could I ever. No, sir. Jesus, help me. Why? Oh, what that? Me a slim thing drop up there for them. I must have dopey up there. I'm not afraid I'm not dopey. I may never see none here. Me know say everybody go and say me take up big woman ship for myself. But I no big woman ship. Me just can't take it naga, you know. And they same thing them me no like. Cause me enough for my head. Oh. If I had a light man, some more copy place. Hey.
What you do up here, sir?
How you?
I me them call mountain man.
Are you that call mountain man? Me everybody talk about you. So why you come here so far? Eh?
Night just a me I wonder what go on up here, sir.
Oh, I mean Petra, sir.
We are do up here, sir, in the woods.
Me run away from me, my yard.
What?
Me runway.
Why you run away?
Because me mom pa no like me. As simple as that.
No, sir, that can't be right.
Yeah, then all where you come from?
So, man, me go look for dinner, you know.
I choose to live up in the mountain by yourself.
Yeah.
Sit down here, so me dey light the fire, cause me don't cook. You want some? I want me don't cook.
Yeah, man, I would be grateful for that.
Me dey go cook rice. I want this man you look.
Yeah.
So what you do with them?
And then normal me eat for dinner.
Oh God! You and your mama for dinner?
Yeah.
Sit down here, son. Sit down here, son. Oh God! Me sorry for you. But that can't pull your belly, sir.
I eat for years, I'm not dead.
Oh God! You know say me run away from me
So
yard.
what really cost you for run away from your yard? now?
Because me pa no like me and me man no like me, but me pa show him more than me man. So me run away, sir.
Why explain? Me not understand. Why you say them not like you?
Because every morning when me man gone to work 6 o'clock, me papa come in at the house, come wake me up out of me bed, so me fit tidy up the place and rake up one big yard, you know.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
And it make me so upset today, so me tell you right, so me run away, sir.
Well, what you do is totally wrong, right? What your parents them doing?
One hand step on you, sir.
What your parents them doing, right? They are equipping you for later on.
What you mean they equip
When
me
you
for
go for your
later?
own, you not.
Smoke and catch you.
Don't worry about that. Me used to the fire. What I'm saying, what them a do, I prepare you for the future, right? So when you're bigger, you go for your own. You don't have to have nobody over you again. I tell you, say you must go do this. You master that field, so you eventually that work in your system. So you get up and you start do things off of your own.
But listen, they don't have to go so hard for me, bossy. Because my friend them tell me say they wake up at 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock on time when they're ready for go to school. They phone alarm. I feel me
Because
pa
them
no do
don't
that.
have a strict parents. Your mother them a try to block you and groom you in the right way.
Me no
You should be
feel-
grateful.
Me no feel so, sir.
I don't have a mother and father for years, you know.
What you mean by your nana, mom, pa? Our
Years
then
me
they.
living at the mountain. Them die.
Oh God, what kill them?
Them
what
die of
kill them?
natural causes.
Oh God,
Right?
me sorry for
And me
you.
alone in the woods of a battle for my own.
You alone, sir?
Yes.
Oh God.
Have a big field up there with me plant and everything up there.
By yourself?
Yes.
From what age?
From me a 15-year-old me there for my own.
Oh God, I don't know say me a 15 too, sir.
What you saying?
Yes, me a 15 now.
Well, what I'm saying, what you do, you make a big wrong move. Because your parents them only want the best for you,
Me
right?
don't think so, sir.
Sometimes I wish I have a parents to guide me and talk to me at night time. And me alone in the woods, me alone.
Oh God.
And this wood is not in this place here, the forest isn't safe for you.
What you mean by no safe? After me not see nothing from me come here.
Yeah, but all type of wild animal in here. You can be right you know you're in danger.
Oh God. And me think say me do the right thing,
No.
sir. But alright. Well, like how you not save me, we can't live with you.
No, you cannot live with me, man.
What you mean by
No.
me can't live with you? Me no want go on back.
What if anything and your parents them come see you up at my yard? Them are gonna say I'm here run away with. Which that is not true.
I not true, but me no want go home. As simple as that.
So what you plan to do then?
Me plan to stay here, so. As simple as that. And me they go cook, so me they go wash the rice. Sit down where you there. You wash the rice and make you get things in here. Yeah?
Right then, you crack two almonds.
But some for me too. Me glad you carry almond cook. A long time me no yam nut. Fire they catch good door.
But you look like you know about this long time.
I know because me know about it, but you know when you plant something, you sort out yourself properly. That's how the thing set up.
Well, I don't approve of that, you know.
You not have to approve of it, sir. You don't know if you bust your man.
Really, you know, but
Lag.
you see them
But
when
I
they
don't
come.
find that there's something there you bust it on you, we bust up your finger. You have to get one flat stone, sir. get one flat stone. See if this is flat enough. A big old man like you don't know that. Lord God, you this stands up.
Them a me feel like feet to a man, so I carry them anywhere. Anywhere them bust, them bust.
Lord God, you turn bad, brother. They throw on the rice. So it's a good thing to make you me my rice. Because hungry you don't kill you, because that can't full your belly.
I have vegetable up in the field here.
Yes?
Yeah.
How are you name up there, sir?
Vegetable, cabbage.
Oh God. Cabbage.
Yeah.
So that nice for your name cabbage is straight, sir.
I have to survive. As I said, you are very lucky. You have a mother and a father.
Yes, sir. Me
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So I feel you should reconsider.
Sir, you almost persuade me, but it not work. Me understand why you just said because you don't have nobody? But here you know, it not work for me. Because me know from her to even say they not like me. And me understand say because you not no mampa, make you the sister. So, I saw the thing set up. You understand? I saw the thing set up. You're the bossy man and you're the near me to yourself and me tell you say me want.
No, but you're gonna just continue doing what you're doing, miss.
You don't name miss, me say me name Petra, sir. Simple as that. Mind you on the fire, burn your fire back. Yeah? So me no want nothing to you because you are merely company. Me say a while ago me here sit and go to room in the bush and me there look, me no see nothing at all.
As I tell you before, up here is not safe.
But no,
And you don't have anything to defend yourself up here. What, you have a cutlass or anything?
me don't have no cutlass, then you have it now. Watch ya, me tell you, say I know so how man boss and you still a wally straight way. That's how you do it. And you not chop you all the way through, sir. Lord God, you baffan, sir, and say you grow in a bush. You not like how you baffan. Me glad you come here, sister. Nobody push up too much fire underneath it, because me no want it burn up your rice. You understand me? Look like you don't know if you cook rice, you don't know if you cook
But you come like you know about this very good.
Me well trained, man. Me well trained and me had. You can't push up so much fire on the rice. Me burn it up.
Well, miss, what I am saying right now, I'm gonna leave you here, you know, since you say you're not going home. I'm gonna leave you
But
here.
you know bust none of the arm and give me so you dey go already.
You want to keep this until tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where you say you dey go?
I'm going home. You can borrow the cutlass until tomorrow, man. I'll come back for
I
it.
don't want you left yet, sir.
But I have to go home.
Who want to turn with me, yeah? Who want to turn with me? Petra! Petra, Lord God Almighty, I want not. Lord Jesus, Petra! Jesus Christ! My mistake. Lord God! Hey, Petra! Why? Jeremiah knows that Petra want to kill me off. Lord God, help me, Jesus! I want to like a girl, man! No, sir! Jeremiah! Petra miss Mas John says the Petra God with clothes and food and everything. Me come and looking at the drawer. Everything missed, everything God. Lord of mercy, God. Me come to my workplace right now. Oh God. Lord God, look at God, I want to kill me off. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh God. No, sir. Why?
Sitting by the river, oh, a sin in nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one now they are counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbor. I wanna take away myself and focus on nature. I like to sit and watch the ants them working together, gathering food, storing for the weather. Peacocks spreading their beautiful feather. I wanna see the birds and the bees, joy falling from the flowers on the trees, to get nectar, to make honey, make honey.
In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one now they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna